Welcome to our guide on Docyt's QuickBooks Connection Center and resolving its open issues/errors. Let's begin. First, log into your Docyt account. To access the QBO Connection Center in Docyt, click on the gear icon. A drop-down list displaying the QuickBooks Connection Center menu will be displayed. Click on it. Enter the name of the business you want to check the QBO connection status for in the provided text box. This will filter the results to display information specifically for that business. The Open Issues column will show the number of unresolved issues related to that business. To access additional options, click on the ellipsis menu at the end of the business row. A list of menus will appear, and selecting Resync will reset and reconnect the QBO and Docyt for that business. To view the open issues, click on View Open Issues. This will open a page where you can see all the current problems. The Error Description column will provide valuable information about the errors, helping you understand and resolve them. Make sure to address all the errors that are listed. If the icon next to the last sync date appears as gray, it indicates a disconnection between Docyt and QBO, and items in Docyt are not being pushed to QBO. To resolve this, click on the ellipsis icon located on the right side. Then select Connect to QuickBooks to reestablish the connection between QuickBooks and Docyt. And there you have it. You've learned how QuickBooks Connection Center in Docyt syncs Docyt with QBO. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.